Guys, how's it going? So quick disclaimer, if you want to see this phone up close or these phones up close, just hang around. I'm going to do a close-up shot later to show you guys the devices like close up, but some of you are very busy and I just thought it would be nice to tell you about the device at the start of the video, also what I think about it and why I even bother to get them, because this is like the second time I'm getting these devices. So this is a Tecno T528. There's two of them. I used to get them as backup phones for my parents. This is like the second time that I'm doing this. I don't know what happened to the last ones. Probably gave them away or something. I don't know. The battery is 2500 mAh. And it says here that it lasts 50 days on standby. So if you're not really using it for something huge and you decide, you know what, I'm just going to leave it on, put my SIM in it, use it to receive calls, maybe make calls as well, it can last up to 50 days. That's one thing that just blows my mind about this device. That and the fact that it has Opera Mini, so you can browse the web with it as well. So it's a small Torchlight phone. If something happens to your big phone and you need to maybe access Facebook to tell your friends and family that, something happened, you can easily just access the internet with this phone. I'm going to real quick open it up. Everything is just tight and strong about it. Okay, I found it. So I'm going to open it up real quick. This is what the battery looks like. This is 2500 mAh battery, and it has a small memory card slot because you can use it to play music, and then it has two SIM slots. Then there's the Torchlight here. Then it has a camera, so you can use it to also take pictures if you want. It's very sturdy, very strong, and when you take calls with it, you have to reduce the volume sometimes because it's really loud. So yeah, another thing I like about it is the fact that it has FM radio. So it has radio as well. If your dad likes to listen to to music, you can get something like this for them. It has Facebook, it has Palm Chat. The camera has a flash, which is also like the standard Torchlight feature as well. And it has this large speaker here that is very bassy when you play music with it. So I'm going to turn it on real quick and then we're going to explore the sound. Real quick, I'm going to insert a SIM card in the SIM slot, and I'm going to power it on real quick because I want you to hear the sound and also just see what it looks like when it's turned on. This is the case. Now it's on. Has a Java feature in it, just the standard Java theme. It has Twitter as well, which is now, well, X, but it's not updated here. It has Facebook, it has Opera Mini, and has a bunch of Bluetooth features as well, and then the browser. It's very loud, like really loud. Another thing I wanted to play with real quick is the FM radio. It's one of those devices that does not require any antenna or anything for the FM radio. So all you have to do is just go to FM radio. So this is radio.
Alright, so now that's what we got it. Alright, so moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Kill the prostate.
So basically a bunch of radio stations that work really fine. A bunch of other features like the touch as well. The Torchlight. This is the touch. So in my opinion, this is like the most portable Torchlight phone you can get because it's not just any Torchlight phone. You can use it to do a bunch of other things like browse the web, like Facebook and Twitter. You can use it to make calls, radio as well. There's the touch, there's a long-lasting battery, and all of this is for like 20 something K. Again, I got it for 24,200 on Jumia last week, but as of today, it's already 28,000 naira. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Feel free to hang around. I'm going to zoom in and just do a bunch of close up of the device, so you see what it looks like, what the carton looks like, what the charger looks like, and all of that. I'll see you guys.